How to reset Windows. First of all, go to Start. Then type Settings. After you've found the settings, click on it. Now, scroll down to the Update and Security option. Again, scroll down and find the Recovery option. Then, click on Recovery. After that, you will find the Reset this PC option. Click on Get Started to reset your Windows. You can choose two options to either keep your files or remove everything. Note, all your apps will be removed on both options. For now, we will choose the Keep My Files option. Again, you will find two options to either cloud download Windows or local reinstall. We don't have the backup of our Windows, so we will choose cloud download. Finally, choose all the prompted options shown in your Windows. After that, wait for a while for the process to complete. Now, you've learned how to reset your Windows.